Hi, my name is Marcus Omar Squires, and I purchased this abandoned home here in Petersburg, Virginia at a tax sale for only $6,000. This home was built in the 1800s, and it's very unique. It's here on Wilcox Street in the Eureka neighborhood, and it has a lot of history that comes with it. The home still has its original dependency on the back. I believe at one point it was further back in the yard, and they probably moved it closer up to the house to add it on as an addition to the main house. So, let's go inside and see how it looks. So this was actually one of my first times entering the house through this doorway. I had not been inside it since I initially purchased it, and realized that it was in better condition than the other house that I purchased. And I'll make some videos in regards to that house as well. But here's the dependency, and right now I'm going through the breezeway, and I'm in the main structure from the 1800s. This is the front parlor. It still has the wood paneling from, I guess, the 50s and 60s, and here's the other parlor. It still has all the furniture, the Greek Revival mantle, the piano. Let's go up the steps. So this is the bathroom, which obviously needs to be gutted. That's the upstairs hallway, the second bedroom in the house, and here's a third bedroom, which is completely filled. And as you can see, the roof is leaking in a couple areas. So I have decided that I would start by not gutting the house, but by drying the house in. So I started work on the roof. I sanded, scraped the roof, and here's a couple clips of me working on the roof, and I will continue to make videos of myself renovating and fixing this house. This is one of my first videos. So here's the front part of the roof after I've scraped it, and I will use a rust inhibitor paint as a primer on the roof, and you will see more videos in the future of me restoring this roof. But I still have to scrape and sand the back part, which is a lot of fun. You can see the dependency, which has been connected on the back, right back there. But yes, this is one of my newest Petersburg projects. So a lot of you may see my photography work. Many of you do know that I'm a teacher as well. And now I am renovating houses. So I'm just super busy doing a lot of things here in Petersburg, Virginia. So this is my current project here in Petersburg, Virginia. A home from the 1800s, which is in need of a savior. And looks like that person's going to be me. So please continue to follow me on my journey here in Petersburg. I do have a YouTube channel. I continue to upload to Facebook daily. Please like, subscribe, and share. Every single thing that you do, your interaction with my videos, it all helps me. So thank you so much for watching today, and please continue watching my videos as I will try to put one out each week. Thanks for watching.